When he was thrown into the well so deep, or locked away where shadows sleep, betrayed by flesh and blood so near, convicted of a sin unclear, handsome Yusuf bowed his plea and softly said, Allah is enough for me. Allah is enough for me. When the world turns cold and I can't see, through every trial, through every plea, Allah, Allah is enough for me. Allah, taken in chains as a helpless slave, working the nights, working the days. Temptation came, but he stood free with a guarded heart and chastity. In silence, strong in purity, he whispered still, Allah is enough for me. Allah is enough for me. When the fire in the sea, no fear can steal my destiny. Allah is enough for me. Years went by in a prison cell, only patience had stories to tell, until the king saw dreams untold. Truth unfolded, the past unrolled. Through faith and tears and constancy, his heart remained, Allah is enough for me. Every night brings a brand new dawn, every wound will soon be gone. Allah lifts all pain I see, everything ends, but he stays with me. Till the blessed day he finally saw his father's tears, his brother's awe, in a land of peace, content decree, where mercy blooms abundantly. Handsome youths cried openly with grateful eyes, Allah is enough for me. Allah is enough for me. Every end is clarity, from the start till eternity. Allah, Allah is enough for me. Allah, Allah is enough for me. Allah is enough for me. Allah is enough.